Hello friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are making one of my favorite recipes as a child. I haven't made this recipe, I would say in about 3 years. I'll have to go back on my YouTube channel and see when I did this. I called it a cheeseburger casserole. This casserole is delicious, it's easy to make, so I'm going to take you along today and show you how to make it. All right, let's go. We will start by adding 1 pound of ground beef to a hot skillet. Next, I've chopped up 1 medium yellow onion. You can use white if you'd wish. And then we'll add in the onion. Once the ground beef and onions are completely cooked, we'll want to drain the grease and add back to the skillet. And now we will start to add the seasonings. I am using my Uncle Dave's seasoning. You can use seasoning salts or any seasonings of your choice. I will leave the ingredients that I use for my recipe in the description box below. And now we'll add the sauces. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce of choice. And then we'll also add ketchup. And we'll give this a quick stir. I made sure that I changed out my spoon when stirring in the sauces. I have a habit of staining my wooden spoons, and we can't have that this time. I'm adding a little more ketchup to the ground beef mixture. I do not want the ground beef to be dry, so I will add as needed. I decided to use instant potatoes for this recipe. Feel free to use homemade mashed potatoes if you'd like. And now we will start preparing the casserole. I start with a layer of the ground beef mixture at the bottom. And then we will add the corn. I am using frozen corn today, but you can use canned corn as well. And now I will add my mashed potatoes, and we will repeat this process. And last but not least, we will top this beauty with some shredded cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese of choice. This is what I had on hand, and this is what I've always used, and it is delicious. And now we will place the casserole in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And here we have it, 30 minutes later, and it smells heavenly, it looks delicious, and we cannot wait to dive in. I opened up a can of green beans, seasoned them to pieces, and this is our side dish for our casserole. Doesn't this look amazing? Let's plate it and see what we're looking like. I am loading up my husband's plate. He is so excited about this meal. And needless to say, he came back for seconds. It was so good, guys. Let me know in the comments section if you've tried this or if you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.